Welcome to Core 4. I'm your host, Brandon Adams. I'm your coach, and I'm also your friend. Core 4 has been something that has been very dear to myself and also our community. We've all been out here looking for ways that we can create wealth, change our family's direction, and just have fun in this world. And the toughest part about any of that is trust. The toughest part is, where are my finances? The toughest part is about, can I do it? And Core 4 changes all of that for us. Core 4 is about mindset and changing your mindset about money, changing your mindset about how you believe in yourself, changing your habits, changing everything that is toxic and negative. Core 4 is about investments. Our traditional investments that we're used to, investing in a bank or in a Charles Schwab or anything else, that's not going to change the quality of our lives. Then you have to be an accredited investor if you're really going to do some major things. But with Core 4, we've changed all of that for us. We're giving us opportunities to become active investors and passive investors and really identify some projects that really speak to us and help us to get from where we are to where we want to be. And guess what? We also have retirement. At the end of the day, one day we're going to stop working. But does our money have to stop working for us? So we set a little bit aside now so that in the future, we'll be able to hopefully have our money grow with inflation. We'll hopefully have our money grow with interest rates. And God forbid that there's anything catastrophic that happens in this world where we need economic freedom at a time when we can't actually work because we're senior citizens, or we just want to retire early. Core 4 gives us that opportunity. And finally, 9 to 5. Core 4 allows you to fire yourself from your 9 to 5. We all work for money, but the hardest part about working for our money is that we're trading our time for dollars typically, or we're in a business that occupies too much of our time, even if we're getting paid an amazing amount of money. Core 4 changes it so that you can fire yourself by having consistent, stable money coming in that you hold custody of. You'll learn about the Core 4 coefficient. And just to give you a couple, is the company that we're investing in or with, are they in the United States? Are they licensed? Is there proof of revenue? Do we have custody of our funds? Are there testimonials? Are there immediate withdrawals? Is there customer service? Is it in the United States? And then some. And then we take that and we learn about the true return. The Core 4 True Return basically helps you to figure out whether or not a real opportunity based on trust of the coefficient can actually yield monthly what it says it does. And then finally, we have the Core 4 Quadrant, where in this quadrant, you can plot from low risk to high risk, from low return to high return, and figure out exactly how much of your disposable income you should be investing, all while we're not financial investors. I'm sorry, advisors. That's a better word. And so by using the Core 4 methodology, it gives you a scientific way to approach your future, to approach your freedom, to approach fun. And when you incorporate short-term and long-term investment opportunities, when you incorporate corporate structure and corporate strategy, and you put them all together, you'll see why Core 4 is leading the way for all of our financial futures. The pre-launch, which is started already, is only $50. Eventually, when we finish the matrix, then Now the pilot is done and you'll be paying $120 a month. You get discounts for being a part of Core 4. You get quality coaches. You could choose to get quality signals. We have Forex, we have yield farming, we have binary options, we have many different things to choose from. And actively, you can invest and get up to 2%, maybe even more per day, all while having immediate withdrawal, having custody of your funds, having an amazing experience and journey with the coaches. It's almost like you're cheating on a test because you can look over the shoulder of your coach and you can make a choice on what you would do on your paper. That's a power position to be in. And Core 4 allows you to do that. So pay attention to what Core 4 is doing. Every week, we have the Core 4 show on Sundays at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. We also have segments like I'm doing right now, and this is an introduction to what Core 4 is all about. So the pre-launch has already started. It's $50 one-time fee, and that entitles you to all the discounts to be able to be a member of any of the courses that we offer, because they'd be significantly more without being a part of Core 4. So this gives you a chance to take advantage, pay $50 one time, and then you'll pay for whatever the course is. Our Forex course is $30 or $50, or you can do both for $80. If you want to do binary options, it's $3,000 for the whole year, and then you add whatever money you want to put up, just like you would with the Forex. And if you're going to do yield farming, it's $3,000 for the whole year for coaching, and then you put up whatever amount of money you want to trade with yield farming. It's just that simple. But guess what? There's so much more. We're always looking to bring high quality, real world proof of revenue opportunities to you. So take the time, learn Core 4, meet the coaches, listen to them, see how they resonate for you, and then start building a portfolio that you can trust, you can believe in, that's transparent, and you can actually imagine a future without a rug pull, without a scam, and without any problems at all. No games, no gimmicks, just success. So I invite you to allow me, Coach Brandon, to coach you through how to utilize the Core 4 system. And if you do it properly and you take this journey, there's a strong chance that whatever your dreams were, they can all become reality, not just for you, but for the people that you love and care about. Thank you so much for the time that you've given me. I look forward to seeing you in any of our chat rooms. I look forward to seeing you on all of our YouTube live calls, our Facebooks, and I'm also here to help. Contact me or my staff directly, and we will coach you to success. Thank you, and welcome to Core 4.